Tick tock, tick tock. Ever noticed that your home decor seems to be stuck in a time wrap? We get it, but fear not, time travelers. Drilling Nerd is here to rescue you from the clutches of dull decor. Today, we are turning the clock back, or rather forward, with a quick and stylish wooden wall clock project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for exclusive tips and upcoming projects. Discussing wooden clock designs. Before we dive into the hands-on work, let's talk about the design. Choosing the right design is crucial for a stunning result. From classic to modern, there are endless possibilities. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look or a sleek, contemporary design, selecting the right style sets the tone for your entire project. Consider the type of the wood, the shape of the clock face, and the style of the numbers or markers. Gathering materials. Now let's gather our materials. You'll need a wooden board, clock movement kit, sandpaper, wood stain or paint, a saw, a drill, and a pencil. Make sure to choose a wood species that suits your design and complements your living space. Preparing the wooden board. Start by measuring and marking the dimensions for your clock. Use a square to ensure straight lines. Once marked, carefully cut the wooden board using a saw. Sand the edges to achieve a smooth finish. Designing the clock face. Now it's time to transfer your design onto the clock face. Take your time and use a pencil to lightly sketch the numbers, markers, or any other design elements you have chosen. Carving and detailing. Here comes the fun part. Use carving tools to add depth and detail to your design. This step requires precision, so take your time to ensure every detail is just right. Finishing touches. Once you are satisfied with the design, it's time for the finishing touches. Apply a wood stain or paint of your choice. This step not only protects the wood but also enhances its natural beauty. Installing the clock movement. Now let's bring your wooden wall clock to life. Install the clock movement kit according to the manufacturer's instructions. This includes attaching the clock hands and securing the movement to the back of the clock face. Hanging your masterpiece. Congratulations, your wooden wall clock is ready to adorn your space. Add a hanger to the back, set the time, and find the perfect spot to showcase your craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this DIY project and want more creative ideas, be sure to visit our website at drillingnerd.com. We have a treasure trove of inspiring projects, detailed guides, and a supportive community to share your creations with.